Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today guys, I've got a little haul for you. A few different shops, but lots of really fun stuff. So without wasting any time, I'm trying to make these videos much shorter. So without wasting any additional time, the first thing I purchased was this gorgeous little bag. I thought it was super cute. I love that it says, "You're my sunshine." It is from Poundland. You guys know I buy a lot of the Poundland bags, and it was only £1. We're going to move it off to the side, and I'm going to start showing you guys just what I bought. So, first item that I purchased are these pink gin and berries. They're sweet and stylish, scented tea light candles, pack of 18. They are much smaller than normal. I think that's probably a standard thing across Poundland. Prices go up. And the quantity you get goes down. 3.5 hours per tea light. They never last me 3.5 hours, but I don't mind that. I like the fact that I get 18. And they smell so sweet and delightful. Guys, some silly stuff. I was in Poundland trying to find some sellotape to start making up the Christmas toy packs. I could not find any of the bigger rolls that you get 4 or 3 for £1. So I picked up this little 8-pack. They are tinchy winchy, still do the same job, but this little 8-pack was still only £1. So I didn't think that was too bad at all. I bought a number of things from, okay, so the first thing, let me show you these guys. So I purchased these from Lidl. And the reason that I purchased these from Lidl, they're Flor Favorina, I think. I purchased these because they were only $1.49 a pack. You get 10 little Christmas lollies. I'm going to put a couple of these on each one of my little toy packs for the charity. But they're $1.49. You get a pack of 6 for £1. So I thought this was better value. I bought 3 packs, 2 of the same and 1 different, but you get 2 different types. There are these beautiful little ones here, and then the little snowman. These ones are a little bit more varied, but $1.49 for a pack of 10, I think is not too bad. So I purchased 3. I think, and I believe everything else I purchased is from B&M Bargains. So let me show you guys because I'm super excited about these. Maltesers are one of my family's favorite chocolates. They're light, they're bubbly, they have that malty, salty flavor in the inside, so you get a bit of sweet and savory. They're delicious. These boxes everywhere else are £2. Everywhere has put their prices up to £2, but B&M currently have them on at £1. So I bought, I'm not even lying, I bought 8 boxes, 4 boxes to show you guys, and the other 4 I gave out already. But I'm super excited to have those because that is really cheap, half the price. So I'm really buzzing with those. Couple of other fun little things that I purchased. I purchased Terry's chocolate orange bars. My niece, who lives in Canada, loves Terry's chocolate orange, and she goes to the European candy store that they have in their town. And the little bar, it's probably about twice this size, was $4. Which I think is exceptionally expensive. So she's coming home for Christmas, so I bought her this little 3-pack, and it only cost me £1 in B&M for a pack of 3. Now the bars are smaller, that is totally fine. It is still cheaper for her to buy, or for me to buy this for her, than to buy it in the European candy store. I then saw, I don't know about you guys and how you feel about Terry's chocolate orange at Christmas, but my house isn't Christmas without one. So I bought all the types of Terry's chocolate orange that they have. Well, that they had in B&M at the time. Each one of these are only £1, which I thought was also quite fab. You have the standard milk chocolate Terry's chocolate orange. This one says 90th Jubilee, the original chocolate orange. There's a chance to win something. I don't know what that is. However, we've got the standard milk chocolate. Then I saw the poppin' candy. I thought this would be a lot of fun. Also to go to my niece who loves Terry's chocolate orange. But how fun is this? This is milk chocolate with popping space candy, which is also awesome. And then my favorite chocolate, which is white chocolate. White chocolate and orange, I've never tried. I'm so excited to get into this. I won't be doing it until Christmas, but I will come back on the video and leave you guys a comment in the comment section or in the description. I'll update to let you guys know just how delish, hopefully, the white chocolate and orange is. So I'm super excited to get those, and only at £1 each. And then one of my favorite snacks are Rainbow Drops, because they are light in calories. These are not going to be light in calories, but they're light in calories and they have this really sweet flavor. So I bought myself a pack of Swizzles candy canes, and they are Rainbow Drop flavor. I am super excited. Look how pretty these are. I do put a lot of candy canes on my Christmas tree. I usually put the standard mint, but I'm going to put these ones on. I never eat the mint ones. The kids come and they take the mint ones, which is totally fine because I want them to be eaten. But will I eat all of these myself? I sure will. Let me know in the comment section, guys, what you think of Rainbow Drop candy canes. I think they're pretty nifty. I think they're pretty cute. So I also bought some white chocolate coins. These will also go into the little charity packs. If I don't eat them, please don't let me eat them. But these little chocolate coins were only 59p. I got them from Asda. What does that say? It says Rainforest Alliance, People and Nature. So they are eco-friendly, I suppose. But I thought they were pretty cool. I then got this little cushion shower mat from B&M. It was only $2.99. I'm really excited about this because the one I have at the moment is see-through and it gets really, I just need to push my camera up. It gets really dirty really fast, and it's got that rubber that when it gets wet so many times, it starts to get sore under your feet. So I bought this one to go into my shower. It is pretty big. I think it's really decent for the price. It has lots of these little suckers. It is foam, so it's going to be nice on your feet. And guys, I don't remember the last time I was able to buy a shower mat that was such decent quality for only $2.99. So I'm really, really buzzing that I got this. I don't know if Adidas is a good name, a good brand, but I'm excited to find out just how much extra comfort I'm going to get. And guys, the last item that I purchased at B&M is I needed a skirt for my Christmas tree. My last one literally paid for itself, almost. I had it for quite a long time, but it did get a little tatty, it did get really old, and it did get quite grimy. And even though I washed it, because it's felt, it didn't come out fantastically. So I bought myself a new one and I'm super excited. This is a really lightweight one. I love the candy cane stripes at the bottom. It's pretty lightweight. I'm not mad about that. And it says on it, Santa Claus is coming to town. It's super clean, super nice. It's going to make my tree look delightful. This was the cheapest one that I could find at £5. They did have ones that went to £15, £20 if you wanted just a little bit more luxury. Totally fine. I went for the cheap and cheerful one. I think this is pretty cute. I'm just going to rip it out of the packaging so I can see what it's like and try really hard not to bust it up. Sometimes, I don't know, I get too excited about getting things out of the packaging. Sometimes I break the items that I've bought, so I'm trying to be, I did fluff it a little bit, but that's okay. I mean, this is a pretty decent sized, let me lift it up. This is a pretty decent sized skirt for my Christmas tree. I'm so sorry about all the shakiness, but this is pretty decent size. This will fit nicely around my Christmas tree. My Christmas tree is white with soft white lights. So this will be just super perfect. And I tend to go for the white and red theme. I don't know if that's pretty standard, but I definitely do go for the white and red theme because I think it's more traditional, more Christmas. Well, guys, that's everything that I have in this video for you. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a blast getting these little items just so I could show you guys. And let me know in the comment section what you think about the shorter videos. Some of my videos I have noticed are exceptionally long. I am going to do my best to try and shorten them so you can have a little bit of pleasure, quickly. But let me know in the comment section what you guys think. In the interim, I'm going to say thank you so much for being here. If you guys like the video, please smash that like button. If you are not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscriber button. We'd love to have you here. And if you want to be notified of any of my future videos, don't forget about the notification bell. Guys, until I see you next time, please stay safe. Please take care and please look out for each other. I'm going to catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Bye.